Hey innovators! Welcome back to Makes It with AI. Today, we're working with Canva, where I'll demonstrate for you several of the skills you need to know to be able to edit videos like a pro, even if you're just starting out. Master these skills, and your videos will be on a whole new level. Ready? So let's get started. First up, let's talk about using templates. Canva offers a variety of pre-made video templates to help you kickstart your project. Here's how you do it. Open Canva and select the YouTube video option from the design types. Click on Design in the top left-hand sidebar, then browse through the available templates and choose one that fits your project. Some of these are free, while others are for premium users. Look for the little crown to see which ones require a paid account. Click on the new template to open it in the editor window. You can now customize all the included elements to make it whatever you want. A story about pirates, a video about vegetables. It's all up to you. To replace any object, just click on it and delete it. Then you can upload your own clip art, etc., or choose from one of Canva's stock images. Then, drag and drop your new media into place. Take these templates and personalize them by adding your own artwork, narration, song choices, and more, making a completely original video about the topic of your choice. Next, let's add some more interest to your video using text overlays. Adding text to a video has a lot of benefits. Plus, text isn't just for decoration, it makes your video more accessible for everyone, highlights key points, and can even direct viewers on what to do next. Here's how to add text overlays in your videos. Click on the Text tab on the left-hand side. Choose from various text styles or add a heading, subheading, or body text. Drag and drop your selected text onto your video where you want it to appear and adjust its position. Click on the text box to reveal the toolbar at the top. Customize the font, size, color, and effects using the toolbar at the top. Use the Effects button to add shadows or outlines for a more striking look. Now, let's enhance your video by adding and editing graphics. Canva's drag and drop functionality is user-friendly. Graphics like arrows, shapes, or call-out boxes can draw attention to specific details or guide viewers' focus. Go to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Search for graphics, icons, or shapes that you want to add to your video. Add as many as you need for your own video. Drag and drop your selected graphic onto the canvas. Resize, rotate, flip, and adjust the position as needed. You can also use the options in the toolbar to fine-tune the appearance. For more fine-tuning, click on the graphic to access options in the toolbar. Adjust its transparency, apply filters, or change the color to fit your video's theme. No video is complete without a bit of audio magic. It might be music, background sounds, or maybe the voice of a character or narrator, but audio is so important in a video. In Canva, you can easily enhance your video by adding audio tracks. Click on the Audio tab on the left sidebar. Browse through Canva's music library or upload your own audio file. Drag the audio onto your video timeline. Adjust the audio length and position to fit your video. You can also adjust the volume and other features, like a fade in at the beginning and a fade out at the end, to make it even more professional. To be precise when you edit, you'll need to understand and use timeline scrubbing. This feature allows you to navigate to specific points in your video and gives you greater control over the overall editing process. Click on the timeline at the bottom of the video editor. You'll see a playhead that you can drag across the timeline to navigate through your video. Drag the playhead to specific points in your video to preview, add items, or make adjustments. This helps you make sure everything is perfectly timed. If needed, use the zoom in and out buttons on the timeline to get a closer look at specific segments for more detailed editing, especially when the area is very small and packed tightly together. Finally, let's trim those clips to get just the right footage. Trimming lets you cut out unnecessary sections of your video by eliminating pauses, mistakes, or redundant material. Trimming can also adjust your video length or make edits to your video as needed. Select the video clip you want to trim by clicking on it in the timeline. Click on the scissors or trim button on the toolbar just above the video. This will open trimming controls. Adjust the start and end times by dragging the handles on either end. You can also enter specific times in the input boxes if you need precise cuts. Click Done to apply your changes. The clip will now only show the trimmed segment in your video. And there you have it. We've covered everything from using Canva's fabulous templates and adding eye-catching text overlays to enhancing your video with stunning graphics and the perfect audio tracks. Plus, with timeline scrubbing and trimming, you've got the tools to fine-tune every detail to perfection. Remember, each of these techniques is a building block in creating videos that not only look great, but also captivate your audience. Don't be afraid to experiment and make these tools your own. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.